Today, biocontrol is not an alternative. It's the way forward. A movement that started with us. For over half a century, we've been shaping the future of farming, with biology at its core. From microscopic to global scale, we connect science and nature to protect crops and the planet. Powered by innovation, we turn knowledge into practical solutions, reliable, effective, and trusted by growers worldwide. Every day, we help growers build resilient crops, restoring their balance, and contribute to a more sustainable environment. It is our commitment that expands with every grower we empower. Biocontrol is our nature.